What's up, everybody? Check it out. Check out all this beauty right here. It's so beautiful. Everything behind me. And then if you look right here, look at all this junk. Trash everywhere. So disrespectful to the environment. More here. Empty bottles, lids, caps to bottles. You come out and you fish and you get out into nature. Don't do this, everybody. Then, you know, I'm cruising, I'm walking, looking at the beauty, come around a corner, and what do I see? Junk all over the place. Somebody left their hat, a bottle, full on packages just left everywhere. This is not cool. If you get out into nature, clean up after yourselves.